These pancakes have apple slices flavored with cinnamon inside. They are also made with rolled oats that I put in the blender here to make into flour. Transfer the oat flour in a large bowl and add the rest of the dry ingredients. Then, place the butter in a pan with the milk and heat until the butter melts. No need to bring to boil. Move to the next ingredient, the eggs. Break the eggs in a mixing bowl and beat with a mixer or whisk, just 1 minute or so. You just need a uniform mixture. Start making the batter. Add the warm milk and melted butter to the dry ingredients. You can add now the beaten eggs too. Mix until well combined. I like to add vanilla extract too. When this is mixed with the rest of the ingredients, the batter is ready. Now, let's move to the apples. I use 2 medium ones here. All you have to do is peel, core, and slice them. The thickest part of the slice should be approximately 3 millimeters thick. This is equal to 1/8 inch. Dust the apple slices with Ceylon cinnamon. Read the information in the description below. Put a piece of butter in the pan, placed on the stovetop with low heat. Use a 3/4 cup of batter, and pour half of it in the pan. Then, start adding apple slices in a circle. Finally, cover with the rest of the batter. All the apple slices must be covered. Cover the pan with a lid to make sure the apples are cooked inside the pancake. Cook approximately 7 minutes on one side, then flip and cook 5 more minutes. Transfer to a plate to cool down. This recipe makes 5 large pancakes. Enjoy!